The word bandwidth can be confusing because there are a couple of different ways that we use it. We use it actually for speed, but we also use it in another way. Let's take a look at those two definitions. One definition is the range between two frequencies. So here, if I got a low frequency and a high frequency, and I measure how many, what frequencies are between it. So for example, the 5 gigahertz band, well, that's not really 5 gigahertz, right? It's a range from one lower set of gigahertz to a higher one, and I can work within that range of frequencies. So we call that, that's definition 1. Definition 2 is a measurement of speed. So megabits per second or gigabits per second can be measured, and that's sometimes also called bandwidth. So it's all in the context of how we use it. And that's it for bandwidth. Except, oh yes, one more thing here I have. Almost forgot I had this slide. There is a somewhat of a correlation between these, because if I have a higher frequency range, I can get more data down that range of frequency. And so there is a correlation between those two meanings. Okay, thank you.